guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? As you can see, I'm really excited because I'm gonna be letting you guys in on my post-baby workout. I have a special guest here, Marcella Washington. She is my trainer, and we're gonna show you some exercises that's gonna work your core and your pelvic floor. As you all know, I had a C-section, and one thing that I loved about working with Marcella is you told me the importance of just restoring the pelvic floor and your core. And when you've had a C-section, you basically don't have any more abs. I mean, when you're pregnant for almost a year, yes, almost a year.
It's so important to give our bodies time to just restore, which means you gotta slow it down, go a little more inward, and learn how to really work the pelvic floor and really understand restoring your core. What does core mean to you?
Core means nothing to me after having a baby. Like
core
I said,
is lost.
my abs are just shot. My abs are gone. So help me get them back, Marcella, please.
It's like core amnesia, not even being able to feel the core anymore, and not having that tactile, so.
Yes, men, we go through this, okay? So the next time your girlfriend, your wife, whatever has a baby, think about that. So you said already, just kind of going back down like this is a good way of restoring?
Just sitting here, because just sitting here, if you're starting to have awareness of your core, for Tia to be in that position, she's already firing her abdominal muscles. I'm gonna have her roll down before we even talk about anything else. Keep scooping, pull in. Right there, you see it gets a little challenging for her. Pull the belly in a little bit more, grab onto the back of your thighs, and that's gonna help you slide down. That alone is a lot of work.
Yes, it is.
So you have to find your pelvic floor. What I want you to do is take a nice inhale. As you exhale, start squeezing as though you're doing a Kegel, but don't stop there. Go ahead and start pulling a little bit deeper in the middle of that same area. Think about lifting, lifting, lifting like it's an elevator, right? Hold, relax, exhale, and then just settle into that a little bit. And you can go slow, you can go fast. You want to do this maybe 2 to 3 times a day, 10 reps. And you can make it easy in the beginning. You can do it when you're nursing, you can do it when you're napping, you can just do it when you're in the shower. Okay? It looks easy on the floor. When you're standing or sitting, it's going to be a little tougher.
I feel like it helps with back pain.
Oh my gosh.
When you're really working on your pelvic floor muscles.
There's a lot of pressure that's been applied after the baby. So we want to keep the organs supported, so we want it to get stronger and stronger.
Ding!
Lift it.
I remember when I first started coming to you, I was like, sit-ups, and you're like, no, we're not gonna do any sit-ups, and I think a lot of women think that that's the go-to.
It is the worst thing you can do. Look at her abdominals. They're literally bulging out. We're putting pressure against a scar, and we're putting a lot of force in the body that the body's not ready for. And we don't want the muscles out like that. We want everything to come together. There's a 4th trimester.
Yeah.
Let that 4th trimester be about shifting your mind, going more inward, because when we're pregnant, we literally are looking at our belly, we're feeling the baby move, the flutters, all these amazing things. And when we're done, we never like, I don't want to look, right? But we need to have an awareness, right? Like I love you're in the gym and you're like, look, it's coming back.
Yeah, I'm very authentic and open about it, and that's what I wanted to do to help you guys out there.
Inhale, exhale, engage the core. As you do that, you're gonna slide the leg out, right? She's keeping her abs engaged and her pelvic floor lifted, and then slowly bring the legs straight up. No double leg lifts. That's too strenuous, bring it down, and you don't want to do that after a C-section. Bend the knee and slide it back in. So let's just start with the leg out in that leg slide position. So we're adding chest work so the upper body can start being utilized also. Engage the abdominals, inhale. On an exhale, bring the arms in. Hold there for a beat. Do a little check, make sure your abs are engaged. Let the arms out slowly as the leg is coming down slowly. And then this way you're having to control the use of the abdominals. Go ahead and bend your arms. Okay. So when we reach the arms overhead, it's going to be a little bit tougher. We're going to go a little bit heavier because she's gotten stronger. So we're gonna go to our 5s. Okay, so she's got her 5-pounder. She's gonna hang on to her abs. She's gonna bring her right knee up slowly. Hang on to it right there. Pull in, lift that left leg up. There you go, there you go, there you go. Good, good, good. Hang on to it, stay there. She's gonna stay there, keep her abs engaged. She's gonna take her right arm out slowly to the side. Now she's having to work this side. Bring the arm back. You got it, hang on to it. And we're gonna stay on that side, go again. Right, still firing the abs, bring it back. Stay there, Tia. Right arm's gonna go out, left leg's gonna come down. Firing everything, she's working, she's working. Just keep the leg straight as you bring it back up. And arm is coming with you. You got it? Bring it down. And arm is coming up. And stay there, bend the knee in. Still hang on to your engagement so you have control on the way down. Knees come down and arms go down. That's a new one. Were you breathing?
You be the judge. Was I breathing? So we've worked on restoring, right? Which was working on our pelvic floor and our core.
Yes.
And now we're gonna work on strength and balance.
The squat.
I hate these.
We do the birth squat to get ready for birth,
Yeah.
which seems so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Doing the squat after pregnancy is a whole nother thing.
Yeah.
It strengthens the posterior, which we need, and also it's lengthening the pelvic floor,
Yes.
which is important.
Okay.
You're gonna turn your toes out slightly.
Okay, and then we're using a chair, which I love, because you can actually do all of these exercises that we're doing today at home.
Baby steps
Okay.
with your baby, right?
Yeah, baby steps with your baby. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see me do a video with my baby Cairo doing exercises.
Oh my
So let me know.
Okay, so your toes are slightly turned out.
Okay.
You wanna go into your pelvic lift.
Yep.
Core engagement, still keep your breath involved. Inhale, exhale, start sinking the hips down. Think about opening the thighs in the direction of the knee. We're just gonna stay there. What we're gonna focus on coming up is keeping the abs lifted, squeezing the glutes. That's probably the toughest part. Take it down, inhale, and exhale, pull the tummy in. Stay there for a beat. I know you wanna come out of it fast, but stay there for a little bit. Okay. Ready? Inhale, exhale, take it down, good. Use the glutes to come up and the thighs and the abdominals. Now you're gonna come up on your toes. So we're gonna lengthen the body. Come up.
Yes.
Use your breath, relax through the neck
Stay
and shoulders.
on my toes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I
ready?
got you, let's do it. It's a little bit slower because now you're opening your hips more now, because I want you to keep breathing. Allow your body to just sink into it. Trust your body, take a breath, inhale, exhale, trusting yourself, come up, pushing through the floor to lengthen out of it. Okay, not so bad, right?
No.
Okay.
How many of these should I do?
There is no right or wrong number.
See, this is why
There's Go for 5. If your body is saying this is too much, go a little slower, take a rest, and you want to build up to it. What's important is how the body's feeling. Another variation is to turn your toes a little bit more forward.
Yes.
Take this one slow. Walk your feet in a little bit more.
Hip
A
width.
little bit wider than hips. So
Okay.
you don't want to be out here where we are in this plie squat.
Okay.
Right now you want to come in a little bit. It's going to feel different in your body. There you go. Stay a little taller. Trust. I'm giving you a little chair support there. There, that's where you want to be. Breathe while you're there. Breath is important, so you release tension. Come up slowly. And rest. Was that a good?
Yeah.
When you first came back, after having a C-section, you had explained how your lower body was feeling.
I didn't really feel centered. I was kind of just like really wobbly. Because I think after when you have, you know, an epidural, you know, some of the medicine and stuff, it's kind of like still in you. So my legs, they just felt really heavy and just very like static. It was almost like I was like, oh my gosh, like.
A lot of toxicity, so drink a lot of water, lemon water, and know that that's not necessarily that your body just isn't strong. It's going through the process.
Yeah.
So we've all done lunges. The only difference in your lunge when you're post-pregnancy is you're gonna pay a lot more attention to your core. Tuck a little bit more. Engaging the abs, pelvic floor is lifted. It's a little more work in the standing position. Go ahead, Tia. She's taking it down, shifting her weight back a little bit so she can open her hip flexors too, because this tends to be tight. And then use the abs, hips, thighs, and come up. Again, you're smiling, it's feeling better.
Yeah.
Take it down, hold, and then bring it up. Really nice, good. We're gonna build on it. She's gonna lunge. Her lunge is nice and strong, so now we're gonna start moving around it and drive your knee up. Good. Take it down again, lunge. Tall, hang on to it, and come upright. Use your abdominals. Hold at the top so we can start working on balance.
Yes.
Bring the knee in a little bit. Shoulder blades are down, and she's upright. Come on out of it.
Yeah. That was great.
You said, yeah. When we put the heavier weight in Tia's hand, we tend to just work on strength. So go into your lunge.
Okay.
So we're putting more weight on her lower body to challenge her lower body more, right? So that's
Yes.
strength work. Take it down and up. Take it down. Don't knock out your knees, work from the hips. When we go to a lighter weight, we want to make it more of a total body move. So you'll take it down into your lunge, bring the arm up, so you're adding a shoulder raise. Now we're making it more dynamic. Take it down a little bit more, and she's using her core just as we did on the floor in our first phase. So Tia's just gonna come up on her toes first. We're using the chair again to help her out. Even though she's on her toes, it's not a calf raise. What she's trying to do is go into that pelvic floor lift and the core engagement. She's also activating her legs. If she takes her hand away, right, she's working a little harder. And you can see she's wobbling. Good, stay there. And she's going deeper in her abs every time I have her move a limb or change a position. And take the arms overhead, right? So we're gonna add a little weight to that one. I'm gonna have you step away from your chair.
Okay.
We'll see how it feels.
Okay.
Keep your toes forward. You're gonna pull the abs in, and she's staying flat-footed to begin with, just to get a comfort level with engaging her abs. Bring the arms down. When you come up on your toes this time, pull the abs in, come up as high as you can. Good. And be okay with where your body is. Even myself, when I'm there, I'm wobbling for a while, and then I start pulling in, and then you find it. Pull your abs in, Tia, and hold there. There you go, breath, and then come down, and rest your beat.
I love that these are moves that you can do at home. These are moves that you can do when you put your baby in the swing, you know what I mean? And they're just chilling, you're like, okay, let me just work on me for a minute.
They're fancier swings than when I had babies, but I remember my mom had the crank.
No, now we just kind of plug it in an outlet and it just goes.
So we're gonna change your toe position, so now you're in first position like
Yes.
a ballerina. Okay, you're gonna pull everything up through the center like you're zipping up your thighs.
Okay.
Come up on your toes. You're there, right there. Keep trying to keep those heels together. Squeeze everything together. Push back a little bit through your triceps and bring it down.
Ooh, yeah, that felt great. I'm telling you guys, you need to try this.
Little steps.
Oh my gosh.
You got a nice big booty after birth, which is great.
I do. That is one thing that I'm like, hello.
But it's got a different purpose now.
Yeah,
Now it's got to get you more upright
Okay.
again. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to push out so you
Okay.
can lengthen the body. Step far enough away that the body is lengthened through the back and the chest and shoulders. And then she's going to use the glutes to bring the legs straight up behind her. Let's slowly, because you want to try to stabilize still. She's going to rotate her hip down a little bit and then bring it down. And then we kind of sometimes we step back through it, come up so we know where this upright position feels like, right?
Yes.
So fun.
Yeah. So we've worked on our core, we've worked on our strength and our balance. Now it's time to move. So I love this exercise because you're getting cardio in there, your heart's moving, but then also we're working on our abs, right?
Yep. So the nice thing about having a mat is I can see how far Tia is traveling. So you keep getting bigger. She's gonna hold the next one, knee stays up, hold, stabilize. Go, hold. Step. Ready? Abs hold, go. Pick it up again, go. Down, up, travel, down, up. Find your rhythm. Find what feels good in your body. And then we're gonna pick up our pace, go.
What?
Go.
No!
Go for 4, 1, go, 1. Come on, Tia. 2. Go. 3. One more way. We have to go odd. 5 more.
5 more!
Rest, good.
Oh.
Okay?
No pain, no gain.
Still not jumping. low impact.
Yes.
So we'll call them walking jacks. So your arms are still doing the same thing, right?
Yep.
Only we're adding out, out, in, push.
Yes. Ow, ow.
Push. She's pushing up and growing.
Go Tia,
Go Tia. Hey,
go
come
Tia,
on.
go Tia.
Push, cross the arms over, push a little more. You can push the arms back, push, and then we pick up our pace for the last few seconds. Go 1, 2, 3. Now she's got to move her feet. 4, 5, and rest. Good. You do want to cool down though. So.
Cool down. My favorite part.
Nice job.
All right, so we worked on core, strength, balance, and we got the body moving. Thank you so much, Marcella. Let me know how you guys feel after trying these workouts. And you know what? You don't necessarily have to have had a baby to try these out. Don't forget to follow Tia Mowry's Quick Fix for more episodes. See you next week. Bye.